Hello and welcome, dear viewers. Today I'll discuss one very important thing, and that is the principle of excitation in Bhrigu Nandi Nadi. How we can time events, how the timing of event can be done with the help of this excitation principle. Okay, according to Bhrigu Nandi Nadi of Shri R.G. Rao. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe. Now friends, this chart is not there in the book Bhrigu Nandi Nadi. This is a chart which I have taken. This is a chart of a female native, and I know her personally. But I will use Bhrigu Nandi Nadi principles to time a certain event, a very important event in her life. Yes, which was almost a life and death situation for her. So let's see what's that. Now friends, we know that wherever Jupiter is seated, that house is considered to be the first house. So you can see that Jupiter is in the sign of Libra. Okay, Jupiter is not in a very comfortable or powerful position, because after all Libra is the sign of Venus, and Jupiter and Venus, they are not considered to be good friends generally. So Jupiter is not that comfortable. Again, Venus is also seated there. Jupiter is with Sun. Sun and Jupiter are friends, but Sun is also debilitated in Libra. So Jupiter is not getting much strength, has not been able to derive much strength from Sun also. So Jupiter is a little weak, you can say. And in this chart you can see, friends, Jupiter is also the lord of the 6th house. How? If this is the first house, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the 6th house you have the sign of Pisces. So Jupiter, according to this birth chart also, is the lord of the 6th house, 6th from Jupiter, from where Jupiter is seated, no? So this is the 6th house from there. 6th house is also the house of disease also. So Jupiter is the lord, but Jupiter is not powerful. Is a little weak also in the chart, you can say. So we know that Jupiter stays in one sign for 1 year. So Jupiter, say 1 year in Scorpio, first year Libra, say 1.5 year Libra, Scorpio 2.5 year around in Scorpio, then in Sagittarius 3 to 3.5 years, then Jupiter will come to Capricorn when the female native will be 4 to 4.5 years. Okay. Now friends, what is the principle of excitation according to Bhrigu Nandi Nadi? According to this principle of excitation, when Jupiter, the natal Jupiter, transits, yes, progresses from one sign to another and reaches a certain house in a certain sign, and it crosses over a certain planet or planets, it excites those planets. The planets get excited. Sometimes what happens is that when Jupiter crosses over those planets, immediately the result also will be delivered by the planets. Immediately the planets, because Jupiter is crossing over them, and some may be crossing over Mercury, which is exalted, then some results you may get immediately also related to education. Sometimes the principle of excitation will work. That is, the results may not be delivered. When Jupiter is in that particular sign, in that house, during that time the results may not be delivered. During that time only the planets will get excited. So excited that they will deliver the results soon. When will they deliver? When Jupiter crosses over a sign which is related to those planets. That is when Jupiter, friends, you can just go back and watch the video again, supposing if I am going a little too fast, okay. So friends, you see, Jupiter will deliver the results. I'll explain with an example, it will be clear to you. Suppose Jupiter, say at the age of 3, at around 3 years or 3.5 years, Jupiter reached here, okay. You have Ketu and Mars. So when Jupiter crosses over Ketu and Mars, Ketu and Mars establishing relationship with Jupiter. Jupiter is the significator of the native. Then definitely the native will have health problem, not only simple health problem, the native also will have some surgery, because Mars and Ketu are together. That shows some kind of surgery, whether minor or major, but surgery will take place. Jupiter is crossing over them and Mars and Ketu are there, so some surgery will take place. But when Jupiter crossed over them, when Jupiter was in Sagittarius, at that time surgery did not take place. At the age of 3 or 3.5 years, it did not take place. But Mars and Ketu, they were excited. Excitation was at play. Excitation took place. Okay, that means they were now almost preparing themselves to deliver the results. When will they deliver the results? When Jupiter again goes over some sign which is their own sign, which is their own sign, or which is the sign of their exaltation. If whenever Jupiter will cross over or reach that sign in the course of its transit, then they will deliver the results. This is the principle of excitation, and that is what exactly happened in the life of this female native, dear friends. When Jupiter reached the sign of Capricorn, the native was around 4 to 4.5 years. At that very age, the native underwent a surgery. You can see, friends, Ketu and Mars, they are both powerful in Sagittarius. So the surgery also was not minor, it was a major surgery. It was a question of life and death for the poor native, little girl. She was only at that time 4.5 year old. Can you imagine? Now friends, you see, why Capricorn? Can you tell me? Yes, you think because Capricorn is the exaltation sign of Mars, and Capricorn also, according to some books, is the Mool Trikon sign of Ketu. It is the sign of exaltation for Mars and also the Mool Trikon sign of Ketu. So, just as even Cancer is considered to be the Mool Trikon sign for Rahu, then Capricorn will be for Ketu. So Capricorn is also related to Ketu, and Capricorn we know is the exaltation of Mars, that sign. So the native reached this sign, Jupiter reached here at the age of 4.5 years. The native, she fell so sick, she was admitted into a hospital and she had to undergo a major surgery. It was a chest surgery actually. Because why? We can also predict what may have happened, what kind of disease. Okay. How we can predict? Moon is there. Moon is also in Capricorn. Capricorn is the sign of Saturn. Moon and Saturn, they are not friends. So Moon is also not very powerful here, you can say. So Moon is in the sign of Capricorn, and Moon, Jupiter reached here. So Mars and Ketu got activated. The disease also is related to Moon, because Moon is the significator of water. Moon is the significator of Kapha dosh. Kapha dosh it is called. Kapha means actually mucus. So whenever there is some mucus disorder, mucus problem, mucus accumulation, which may also result into some kind of chest infection. That is what happened to the female native exactly. Chest infection due to mucus. And so with medicines she could not get any relief, and so the doctors said that she will have to be operated upon. And so friends, that is why there was a surgery, and also a major surgery. Can you imagine an open surgery, just and it's for such a small child, chest surgery, and so many stitches, and finally there was infection, so they had to operate her, and thank God that finally her life was saved. Somehow she was saved actually. Yes. So friends, we can say that this is how we can predict events. Yes, we can predict events. And also friends, we can say that Jupiter was in the house of Capricorn. Yes. And Capricorn, after all, no, is the sign of Saturn. And Jupiter and Saturn, they are not enemies. Yes, they have a neutral relationship. Yes. And so after all, it is the house of Saturn, and Jupiter and Saturn, they have a neutral relationship. So that may be one of the reasons, or anyway, the native was lucky and her life was saved. But this major surgery took place. We can, by looking at the chart only, we can say that definitely either when Jupiter reached here or when Jupiter reached here, definitely a surgery has to take place. So if it takes place when it is in Capricorn, then it is because of the principle of excitation which took place earlier. Excitation took place, and then the results were delivered when Jupiter reached Capricorn. So friends, please do subscribe to my channel and do share this video. Thank you so much.